Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Farmer John sausage. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh pork shoulder, which provides the perfect fat-to-lean ratio for juicy sausage. For seasoning, we'll use a classic blend of sage, black pepper, and a touch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Don't forget your natural hog casings, roughly 10 feet, and your trusty meat grinder and sausage stuffer. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's move on to grinding and seasoning our pork. Begin by cutting your 2 pounds of pork shoulder into 1-inch cubes. This size is ideal for your grinder. It's crucial to chill both the meat and your grinder attachments for at least 30 minutes before you start. This prevents smearing and ensures a clean grind. Use a medium grinding plate to achieve that classic sausage texture. Once ground, gently mix in your spice blend and 1 tablespoon of salt until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Next up is the exciting part, stuffing the casings. First, soak your natural hog casings in warm water for about 30 minutes to make them pliable. Load your seasoned ground meat into the hopper of your sausage stuffer. Carefully slide one end of the softened casing onto the stuffer's nozzle, leaving a few inches hanging off. Begin to slowly push the meat into the casing, guiding it gently. Aim for firm, evenly filled links, approximately 6 inches in length, twisting them to separate. Finally, let's talk about cooking and storing your delicious homemade sausage. You can cook your fresh sausage immediately by pan-frying or grilling it over medium heat until beautifully browned and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. For storage, any uncooked sausage can be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 3 days. If you've made a larger batch, freeze the uncooked links for up to 3 months, ensuring they are well wrapped to prevent freezer burn. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.